Morning smoothie recipes for enlarged prostate relief. Managing an enlarged prostate, or benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, can be made easier with strategic nutrition. A simple way to support prostate health is by starting your day with smoothies rich in anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and hormone-balancing ingredients. These recipes are easy to prepare and packed with nutrients known to aid in enlarged prostate relief. Do you want to restore powerful urinary flow, fix prostate issues now? Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Here are 5 effective morning smoothie recipes for enlarged prostate relief. 1. Pumpkin seed smoothie, 2 tablespoons raw pumpkin seeds, 1 banana, 1 cup almond milk, 1 teaspoon flaxseed oil, half a teaspoon turmeric. Blend all ingredients until smooth. Benefits: pumpkin seeds offer zinc and phytosterols, which support prostate size and function. 2. Berry and saw palmetto blend, half cup blueberries, half cup strawberries, 1 tablespoon saw palmetto extract, 1 cup unsweetened Greek yogurt, 1 teaspoon chia seeds. Blend until creamy. Benefits: saw palmetto may reduce BPH symptoms, berries help fight oxidative stress. 3. Green detox smoothie, 1 cup spinach, half avocado, 1 celery stalk, juice of half lemon, 1 cup cooled green tea. Blend until smooth. Benefits: greens and green tea support hormone balance and reduce inflammation. 4. Tomato lycopene smoothie, 1 ripe tomato, half red bell pepper, 1 small carrot, 1 cup vegetable juice, half a teaspoon olive oil. Blend all together. Benefits: lycopene in tomatoes helps lower prostate inflammation. 5. Walnut and fig smoothie, 1 banana, 3 dried figs, 1 tablespoon walnuts, 1 cup oat milk, half a teaspoon cinnamon. Blend until smooth. Benefits: high in fiber and healthy fats that support prostate and urinary function. Start your day right with these morning smoothie recipes for enlarged prostate relief. Combined with regular physical activity and medical advice, they offer natural support for prostate wellness. Struggling with prostate issues? Do you want to restore powerful urinary flow, fix prostate issues now? Start your prostate recovery today. Visit the link below in the description to learn more. And always consult with your doctor to get the best advice. Thanks for watching.